welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie and we're in my kitchen today because today's video I'm going to show you guys how I've been making my eyebrow serum. And I have coconut oil. I'm using this because it congeals and I don't want it to be too runny. Castor oil, which is the main ingredient. Vitamin E, which is also great. And then I have some argan oil and some flax seed. So I'm going to move the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. So first, I took the coconut oil and I microwaved it for 30 seconds. So it's liquidy, because you want it to, it's not all the way, there's still some pieces in there that didn't liquefy, but it's like an oil, so it's kind of like lard. When lard is hot, it's liquidy. When it cools, it congeals. So I'm gonna take 4 of these little mini spoonfuls of this and pour it in there. I'm gonna put that off to the side. Oh, I should also say, I have these little plastic tubes that I got from Amazon. They have a spoolie here for mascara. So I'm gonna end up filling these at the end. And they come with little funnels. I know these words, so we'll put that off to the side. Let me move all this stuff for you. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with the vitamin E, and it comes in with the thing. So just one thing full of that. Put that over to the side. The castor oil, this is the flaxseed oil. 4 pumps of that. Now the Moroccan oil, we don't want a lot of this either, so it's about 1 thing of that. And then the castor oil, so I'm making 2 batchfuls, 1 for each thing. That's why there's like 4 squirts of that. So now I'm gonna mix it all together. I don't know if you can hear my cat eating. She's being kind of loud. So then, now that that's all mixed together, going to pour it in here. You don't want to fill the thing entirely because you do need to leave space for the spoolie to go inside of it. So. It's dripping a little bit, but that's okay. And the last of it in here. So it will congeal while it cools, but this is all plastic, so you can pop this in the microwave. I would say for like 2-3 seconds at a time, just to make sure that you don't overheat it, because you don't want it to be hot when you put it on your face. But you do want it to be liquidy enough that you can easily apply it to your eyebrows. And there we have it. Ta-da!